Hi, my name is Harshini and I've been a GDPI preparation student at IMS Koramangala. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank Ashish sir for all of his efforts and guidance during my GDPI preparation phase. I have converted my calls from FMS Delhi and I've been waitlisted at IIM Lucknow. So when I first came into the GDPI classroom, I didn't really have any idea as to where to start, given that interview preparation is very diverse. What really helped me was Ashish sir's first class, where he had structured the interview and broken down each of the sections which we need to focus on and prepare. It also helped me because I had a framework and set deadlines to work with. And more than all of this, what really worked well for me was the mock interviews that Ashish sir had conducted before each of my main interviews. And talking about mock interviews, one area where Ashish sir's guidance really helped me was that he was able to pick a variety of topics and ask me questions from each of them through the many number of mock interviews that I had had.